are watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there everyone, it's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and today we're going to be using a new product that came out from Cricut recently, and this is a smart label, but this is dissolvable. So what's really cool about this is think about labeling leftovers, if you do meal prepping, if you take your food into work, potlucks and such. You're able to label it, and then it goes ahead and washes away very easily off of your Tupperware, which is amazing because nobody likes scrubbing those little sticky stickers off of things. So we're gonna go ahead and use a smart label because we're using the Maker 3. So this is gonna cut matless. So today I'm gonna be using this produce crisper. I'm gonna go ahead and put a label on it. And once you choose Make It in Design Space, you're gonna go ahead and in Materials, you can go ahead and search Dissolvable, and you will see there is a setting for smart dissolvable labels. So whatever pen or marker you're gonna use, go ahead and load in clamp A. I'm gonna be using the fine point black for mine. And it's matless, so we're going to go ahead and make sure we just get it up under our tabs here. And we are ready to load. And that was very fast. We're ready to unload it. So we'll go ahead and start peeling this off. So it's thinner because it's dissolvable. And I will say the texture reminds me of, it's like painter's tape, basically, is how it feels. Place our label on there. You could do just a rectangle, but I like mine to have a little pizzazz with a little shape. So there is label. Get some salads with dinner. I do like to put my leftover lettuce in a crisper box, that way it does stay crisp. And these dissolvable labels are going to be awesome. Not only that, but how aesthetically pleasing are these? So now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to wash away the dissolvable labels. Now to clean it, it's going to be super easy. All I'm going to do is take my container here and I am going to let it sit in soapy water for 30 seconds. Hopefully I put enough water in here. Alexa, set a timer for 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting now.
You can actually see it. See the writing dissolving, and you can see the paper starting to dissolve too. Okay, so now that it's soaked, I'm just going to take a sponge. Here's what it looks like as soon as I took it out. It's already, like, I don't even have to take a sponge to it. It's gone, like, literally. That's so cool. There's no scrubbing with this, just you can wipe it with your fingers and it comes off. And that is all there is to it. And the dissolvable labels are also available for the Cricut Joy. And then here is a list of a few of the other new products that were recently released from Cricut. Reflective Iron-On in Rainbow, UV activated color changing iron-on, the Everyday Iron-On in Mint, Rose Gold, and Coral, colder heat activated color changing vinyl, the Cricut Joy Smart Label Writable Vinyl, the iron-on sampler in skin tone, and then the vinyl sampler in skin tone, which is great. It gives us 10 different skin tones to choose from, and then the linerless transfer tape. So there are links in the video description to take you to the new products in Cricut. Have you tried any of the new products? If so, let me know. What have you tried? What have you thought? I do have videos using the UV activated color changing iron-on and the cold and heat activated color changing vinyl. So if you want to check those out, stuff is super popular because it's so cool. They are so fun. So thank you guys for joining us today. And special thanks to our amazing admins and supporters. We really appreciate you guys. So you all have a wonderful week and happy crafting, everyone. Bye.